Sit down and open this book.
A book?
It's a book, yes. I just gave it away. Open. Open. What is it? What is it?
Down.
Cars. Wow. Where's the car?
Down.
Yeah, and open this for Nuna. This is a good one. Can you say Nuna?
Nina.
Yes. Can you say Rami?
Mommy.
Yeah. Here you go. Open. Open. What is it? Oh wow, where's the plane? Good boy. Where's Finn Autobus? Where's the bus? Good boy. Where's the taxi?
Daddy.
Yeah, good boy. That's a very good. And what about this from Nina?
Nanny.
Yeah. Okay, this is a very good one. You're gonna like this one. Open. Who's that?
Elmo.
Elmo. Good boy.
Elmo.
Elmo, yeah. Where's Grover? Where's Grover? Yeah. Where's Elmo? You press that button.
Jax, you like that?
Eh?
Yeah. Press this one. Yeah. Can you clap your hands? Yeah. Shall we open another one from...